Looking on how to make radish fries in the air fryer? Well, in this video, I bring you the step-by-step recipe to perfecting delicious, crispy radish fries in your air fryer. I promise this is gonna be your new French fry replacer, and it's keto, low carb, and AIP. Coming up. Well, hey gang, I'm Shelly. I'm a dietitian specializing in the keto, low carb, and anti-inflammatory lifestyle, clinic owner, busy mom of 2, and penny pincher. I'm super passionate about helping women lose weight, decrease their blood sugars, eliminate pain and migraines, whittle down their waist one bite at a time. As a chronic migraine sufferer and someone who had a tough time losing the baby weight, I discovered this eating plan and it changed my life. It is my goal to change your life with simple recipes, product reviews, and kitchen tips. And welcome to our channel, the KLA Kitchen, where we change your life one bite at a time. And if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. Well, I originally thought I found the perfect French fry for you all in our turnip fries. I got the link up here for you. These air fryer radish fries come in as a great contender. They're loaded with vitamin C, which helps keep our skin and hair just beautiful, but they come in at 3.9 grams of carbs. Now remember, gang, we talked about this before. Our French fry from our fast food restaurant has about 39 grams of carb, which is about 1/4 of a cup of Hershey syrup, maybe 1/2 of a cup, but who cares? That's a lot, and over 3 slices of bread. Now we have our ingredients here: 6 radishes washed, about 1/2 teaspoon of our Redmond sea salt, 2 teaspoons of our olive oil, and our trusty good old air fryer. Using a sharp knife, cut radishes into thin wedges. Radishes are an amazing source of vitamin C, which makes our skin and hair glow, and I'm super jazzed that radishes are not a nightshade and fit into our AIP paleo. Pour in our olive oil. Now this is the secret to getting an amazing crunch. Don't overdo this fat. While we love fat on keto, too much in this recipe will make the radish fries soggy, and you'll know how I feel about that. Love olive oil, a great source of monounsaturated fat. Sprinkle with Redmond salt. Now this salt is such an amazing flavor, great for our anti-inflammatory plans. And remember, gang, we really don't need a lot of this product to get amazing flavor. My big tip, these may call for a teaspoon of salt. You only need about 1/2 teaspoon of our Redmond salt. Give it a good toss. Pour our radish wedges into our air fryer basket, and we're gonna cook these for a total of 20 minutes at 360 degrees. Now I encourage you to check at around 15 minutes, give it a little toss, and keep on cooking. Gang, I am so excited about our radish fries. These look amazing. I cannot wait to dig my teeth into these. These radish fries, absolutely amazing. I'm getting a little bit of that Redmond real salt. These are great. I promise this is gonna be a great, oh, it's a little hot, my fingers are burning, but so good. You can obviously serve these with your sugar-free ketchup of choice. If you're like me, I love to dunk French fries in mayo. And your question of the day, gang, is which French fry will you be trying? Will you be doing turnip? Or will you be doing radishes? I would love for you to comment below, and for gang, more great keto, low carb, and anti-inflammatory recipes, be sure to scroll in our description box below so you can sign up for our email. And then while you're down there, go ahead and download our keto and anti-inflammatory menu to be delivered straight to your inbox. Now, because you watched this video, I'm almost positive you're gonna want some more air fryer recipes. So the link is up here. Go ahead and click on it, and it is our huge playlist that you can binge watch on air fryer keto vegetables. I'm Shelly, gang, from the KLA Kitchen. I wish you a beautiful day.